YouTube, what is going on, peoples? So I'm here to share some more information with you guys. So just let me show you guys. So if your truck is ever leaking from that bottom valve, that whole valve right there full of air hoses, that's a pretty expensive valve, okay? I'm talking about freightliners. I ain't talking about no other kind. I don't know about no other kind, okay? Because it's gonna leak from the middle valve, before you swap out that whole freaking valve right there, switch out your tractor protection valve. Switch that one out. It costs less and it's an easier job. You can do this yourself, okay? So when the tractor protection valve goes out, this is where your air is gonna come out of. That valve right there, that middle valve, right in the middle. There's a hole that leaks air. So how you test it is just leave the truck off like this, and just release your yellow valve. Make sure you chock your tires and release the yellow valve inside the tractor. And if you hear that valve leaking, do yourself a favor, swap out the tractor protection valve, that one right there. I've done it 3 times where I thought it was that valve down there, and it's not. It's only the tractor protection valve. So don't waste your money. Do that first, and you should be good. Only on freightliners. All right. Hopefully this video was helpful to somebody. If you're out there driving, drive safe. Be safe. We'll see you guys on our next video.